Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we are going to start English grammar, chapter number 18 of your periodic test second. The chapter name is active and passive voice. In this chapter, we will know how to change active voice sentences into passive voice, and we will also learn how to change active voice sentences into passive voice in different tenses. Understand? And with modal verbs. So come on the chapter. Active voice. In an active voice sentence, the subject does the action. Student, you know that in active voice sentence, the subject does the action. Subject is the doer, performer of the action. Passive voice. In the passive voice, in the passive sentence, the action is done to the subject. Whatever the action will be done, that action will be done to the subject in passive voice. Understand? So look at the examples for better understanding. The dog chased the cat. In the first sentence, that is in active voice, you are getting the dog chased the cat. Who is chasing here? Who chased? Dog chased. So the dog is here subject. We are talking about who performed the action, who is the doer of the action, the dog. So the sentence is in active voice. In passive voice, the cat was chased by the dog. Here you are getting the cat was chased by the dog. In this sentence, in the passive voice sentence, we are getting in the passive sentence, the action is done to the the action is done to the subject. The action is done here for the subject, to the subject. So in active voice, we talk about doer of the action, and in passive voice, we talk about the receiver of the action. Understand? The active voice subject, here you are getting the active voice subject will be object in passive voice sentence. Understand? And the object of active voice sentence, the you will understand it now. The dog chased the cat. Here you are getting the dog is what? Subject, and the cat is an object. So the subject of active voice will be object in passive voice, and the object of active voice will be subject in passive voice. Understand? Afterward we are coming. The subject of the passive voice is the same as the object of the active voice. Understand? When active voice has the subject one, someone, somebody, nobody, people, or any vague noun or pronoun, we omit these words in passive voice. Suppose that these are the words no one, someone, anybody, people. Understand? Such type of words you are getting in active voice as a subject in the sentence, then you will omit these words in passive voice. Look at the examples. Someone has stolen her book. Here you are getting the word someone. As I have told you that if you are using these words in active voice, someone, anyone, no one, nobody, anybody, none, people, such type of words which are unclear, vague, for that words only these words will be omitted in passive voice. Understand? So you are getting someone has stolen her book. Her book has been stolen. We are not using by someone. Understand? We are not using by someone. In passive voice, we include by afterward the object. Understand? So we will omit by someone, by none, by anybody, by one, understand, by somebody, by people. And dear students, you have to know that we can only make passive voice of transitive verb. What do you understand by the term transitive verb? Transitive verb means which has the verb which has an object. Suppose that he plays cricket. Plays what? Cricket. He teaches us English. Teaches what? English. Teaches whom? Us. So us and English are here objects. Understand? If the verb has objects, it means that the verb is transitive, and the verb which has not object, the verb will be known as intransitive verb. Understand? So we will only change transitive verb into passive voice. Understand? We can make passive voice only of transitive verbs. Dear students, we will know that how to change active voice sentences in different tenses. In simple present tense, we use in passive form is, am, are plus verb third form. Look at the examples. He helps me. You are getting he is the subject in active voice and me is the object. And I have told you that the subject of active voice sentence will be object in passive voice. Understand? And the object of active voice sentence will be subject in passive voice. So here is me. So me will be subject I, and we will use is, am, are according to subject. In passive voice, I am helped, and we always use main verb third form in passive voice. So I am helped by him, and we will include by word, and after word we will put object. This is the sentence of simple present tense. Afterward, present continuous tense. In present continuous tense in passive form, we will use is, am, are plus being, being plus main verb third form. I am eating a mango. In this sentence, the subject is I and a mango is object. So first we will put object in passive voice. A mango. Mango is what? Singular. A mango. So we will use is. A mango is, and according to word structure we will use being, eaten main verb third form, by, the subject is what? The subject will be object, so we will add the subject as here as an object by including by me. Understand? In present perfect tense, has, have plus been plus verb third form. Look at the examples. You have beaten her. You have beaten her. You is subject here and her is an object. So first we will change object as a subject in passive voice. So it will be here as a subject she, and with she we will use has because she is singular. Been according to word structure, main verb third form beaten, she has been beaten, and we will include by word after word you as an object in passive voice. We are coming in simple past tense. We don't make passive voice of present perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense was, were plus verb third form. So someone stole my pen. You are getting the sentence in simple past tense, main verb second form. And I have also told you that if the subject will be unclear, vague, suppose that someone, no one, anybody, one, people, on that time we will not use these words in passive voice. as an object. Look at the example, someone stole my pen. So my pen is object, it will be subject. My pen is singular, so was stolen. And we are not including the word by someone because we will omit these words. If these words, someone, anyone, nobody, people, such type of words will come in subject. Understand? Past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, we use was, were plus being form plus verb third form. Understand? So she was waxing me. Me is object, so it will be subject. I was, with I we will use was. Third form, waxed by. She will be changed. The subject of active voice will be object in passive voice. We will include it here by her. Afterward, we are coming past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, we will use had been plus verb third form. I had informed the police. So you are getting the police had been informed by me. The police is object, it will be subject here. Understand? Had been informed according to word structure, main verb third form. By, I will be converted as an object by including by me. And we don't make passive voice, we don't change active voice sentence into passive voice. The sentence, the tense, we don't change the tense, past perfect continuous tense, into passive voice. Dear students, see the structure, how to change active voice sentence in simple active voice sentence in passive voice sentence in simple future tense. In simple future tense, first we will keep here put, will, shall plus be plus main verb third form, verb third form. Look at the examples. People will forget it. I have also told you that vague noun, unclear noun will be omitted in passive voice. So here this is the subject and this is the object. It is the object. So object will come first, it, and according to it we will use will. It will be forgotten, main verb third form. And we are omitting here, we are not using here by people. By people we are not using. Understand? According to rule. In afterward we are coming simple future tense. Future continuous tense, we don't change future continuous tense into passive voice. Understand? Future perfect tense, we are coming future perfect tense. Will, shall plus have plus been, B-E-E-N, been plus verb third form. I shall have written the book. You are getting I is subject and the book is the object. So the book will come here first. The book will have been written, main verb third form, by, and the subject is I, so it will be converted into object as me. Understand? So the book will have been written by me. And we don't change present perfect continuous tense sentences into passive voice. Afterward we are coming modal verbs. All these verbs are known as modal verbs: shall, will, can, could, may, might, should, would, must, ought, etc. Afterward, in passive form, we will use first modal verbs, modal auxiliary plus be plus verb third form in passive voice sentence. Look at the examples. They will kill the bird. Here you are getting the word will is what? I can also use here they can. So they will kill the bird. So first we will find out the object. The object is the bird. So we will put the bird first. Afterward, according to the subject, the bird is here as a subject. As a subject. So the bird will be killed by them. The bird will be killed by them. So we will first do what? We will choose the object of active voice as a subject in passive voice. Afterward will, then be form, be, afterward main verb third form, then by them. We are going to see one sentence related to interrogative question, interrogative sentence, WH word, WHO question, WHO here, the word is WHO, who wrote the Ramayana, understand? For such type of construction, for such type of sentences, interrogative sentence, so first we will use by whom, afterward what? Verb was, afterward the Ramayana written, understand? So in the same way, who was the Ramayana written by? We will use who first, afterward helping verb, then the Ramayana written, and by, if we are going to use by whom, then afterward we can use helping verb, the Ramayana written. So I hope that you have understood all this clearly. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.